Hi everyone, this is me, Vivyan Hermuz in Hairstyle channel. Today this video is something different. I will do something different. I will do more talking about where I come from and when did I started my YouTube channel, because there are many questions coming in, like which language you're speaking in some of your videos, why you started with different language, you're now talking more in English, and you're writing things down in your video with no talking. So to be honest, it started as a request from my mom. God bless her, she's not here around us anymore, but it was like many years ago, because I'm originally from Iraq, but my language, the language I'm using in my video, they are my own mother language, my background language, my original language, that's Aramaic Assyrian. It's quite an ancient language, it's a very old language. And because my mom requested me, like, okay, you come from there, I grew up in Europe, and I've never used it actually in my work. In the salon, I usually speak the language. I'm from the country I'm living in that moment. When I travel, I usually use like English or other languages from all the countries I've been living in. So I will say like a multi-international languages, but I never used my own language. So she requested it, and she said, why don't just do something in our own language? And I did. And to be honest, today it's like I've achieved 700,000 viewers on YouTube, and that's like, wow, that's amazing. That's really amazing. I want to thank God for that. I want to thank you for following me all these years, and I promise I will do more in English, but also I will do some of my Aramaic Assyrian language videos for my own people, but I will promise to achieve all of it, like to make it more multiply languages, so for everyone is available. And of course I'm doing also some videos for people who cannot hear, like I write them things down like I do with no talking, just more text writing. So I'm trying more and more to be out there to make everyone accessible to my videos, to understand them more. But wow, what a day today. I'm really happy, I'm really thrilled. I promise you will see more of me. I promise you will know more of me. If you have any question, please send it to me, message me, or just comment here below. I will be more than thankful to answer everything. And yeah, it is, hopefully we can reach more on YouTube. Hopefully I'll be really happy, because something remind me of my mom, who's not here anymore with us. But yeah, it all started with her, and it means a lot to me to achieve so much on here. I feel like I'm doing it more for her than for me. People don't know. They say things. Your lips are too big, you're too sexy, you do this for money, you do this, that. But the truth is, I do it for someone very special to my heart. Thank you. Thank you for all your support. Thank you. Till next video. Bye-bye.